Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm back with yet another tutorial video on app guide, and in today's video I'll show you how you can send a gift message on Instagram. So you use Instagram to make different kind of posts, you use the Instagram to message your friends and families, and now you want to send a gift message, the new feature by Instagram, to someone that you want to, but you can't figure out how you can do it. Watch this video till the end. It's a very simple process. You'll do it in no time. Follow the simple steps I do and you'll have no problem doing it. So to send a gift message, the first thing you want to do is open the Instagram application. Once you open the Instagram application, log into the account that you want to send the gift message from. Once you log into the account that you want to send the gift message from, you'll land at an interface like this. From here, what you want to do to send a gift message is tap on the message icon on the top right corner of your screen. Once you tap on the message icon, select the person or search for the person that you want to send the gift message to. Once you search for the person, open the chat. Once you open the chat, what you want to do is type in the message that you want to send. Once you type in the message that you want to send, you'll see a search option besides the message. Tap on that search option. Once you tap on that search option, here on the top row, the fourth option you see is the gift message option. So tap on that. Once you tap on that, you can see that the message I have sent is wrapped in a gift box and is sent as a gift message. Now once the user opens the message, they will receive the message something like this. So this is the gift message feature from Instagram. If you want to use this, follow the simple steps I showed you right now and you will be able to send the gift message in no time. So that will be it for today's video. Hope the video was helpful for you. If it was, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video with some new information. Goodbye.